2009 Hyundai Sonata. The key would not turn. To get it in the accessory position to replace the switch, has to be in the accessory position. Looked at all the videos. This thing didn't work. I held the battery cables together for 30 minutes. That didn't work. And I started noticing down here where it says push. So that part must be broken. I took a flathead screwdriver and put it alongside of the key and pushed down real hard, and it turned so that I could put it in the accessory position. Now I can pop the switch out and replace it.